Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get PayPal in Trinidad. PayPal is a global platform that simplifies online transactions, making it easier for individuals and businesses in Trinidad and Tobago to engage in international commerce. Whether you're shopping online, receiving payments for services, or sending money to friends and family abroad, PayPal offers a secure and convenient solution. We'll go through the essential steps to set up your account and link it to your local financial institutions, ensuring a smooth experience from start to finish. To begin, navigate to the official PayPal website. You'll need to provide some basic personal information, such as your full name, a valid email address, and a secure password. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid any issues during verification. After submitting your information, PayPal will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Click the link in this email to verify your account, which is a crucial step in activating your new PayPal profile. Once your account is active, the next vital step is to link a financial instrument. In Trinidad and Tobago, you can typically link a local bank account or a credit or debit card. This connection allows you to fund your PayPal account for purchases or withdraw received funds directly to your bank. PayPal will usually perform a small verification process, such as making 2 tiny deposits to your bank account, which you'll then confirm on their site. This ensures the account belongs to you. With your PayPal account fully set up and linked, you're ready to start transacting. You can now send money to friends and family, pay for goods and services online, or receive payments from clients internationally. Remember to always check for any applicable transaction fees, which can vary depending on the type of transaction and currency conversion rates. PayPal provides a secure platform, offering buyer and seller protection on eligible transactions, giving you peace of mind with every use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.